In this video, we will be outlining the changes between Business Objects 4.2 and Business Objects 4.3. First, let's take a brief look at Business Objects. To access Business Objects, head to the TU Dublin website and click For Staff in the top right hand corner of the web page. From here, click on the tile marked Technology Services. Just under the Technology Services header, you should see All Services. Click on that link. Scroll down until you see the heading Staff Business Applications. The correct tile should say Business Objects City. Click on that tile. This is our Business Objects landing page, which will be updated once 4.3 goes live. When logging into Business Objects, please make sure you're connected to VPN if working remotely or if Business Objects doesn't load while on site. You can also access Business Objects via remote apps. To access Business Objects via remote apps, click on the AVD Remote Apps link from the Business Objects landing page. From the AVD Remote Apps web page, click on the Accessing Remote Apps using a web browser heading to expand the web box. Click on the blue here, which is highlighted as a link under Step 1. This should bring you to the Remote Apps portal. Remote Apps, just like many TU Dublin apps, uses single sign-on. If you're not logged into your TU Dublin email account, please log in now. Once logged in, a list of applications will load. Scroll down to the bottom and you should see Business Objects listed amongst Banner and Core. Click on Business Objects. Click Allow Next. You'll be asked to confirm your TU Dublin email password again. Please do so to continue. The virtual machine should load and you will now be able to access Business Objects. To log in, use your first name last name as your username, your TU Dublin email password as your Business Objects password, and make sure authentication is set to Windows AD. You will now be able to access reports and export them. However, as Remote Apps runs off a virtual machine, make sure to open a new tab and sign into the web version of OneDrive. From here, you can upload your reports and then download them from your own machine. We will now go through the differences between Business Objects 4.2 and Business Objects 4.3. However, just a quick little tip: if you're a new user accessing Business Objects, a data protection message will be prompted to you. Click the tick box to not show again and press OK. The main difference between Business Objects 4.2 and 4.3 is its user interface. Traditionally, 4.2 is like so. Your start screen will be the Documents tab. From here you can access public folders and generate reports for export. These can be exported as PDFs or Excel files. With Business Objects 4.3, the start screen is also different. However, login will be exactly the same as 4.2 on launch. Users will use first name last name as their username, their TU Dublin email password as their Business Objects password, and authentication set to Windows AD as usual. To access folders and reports, simply click on the big folder button. Depending on your access, you should have 3 options. Click on Public Folders to access public reports. When running a report, a pop-up box will appear and you'll have to fill out the criteria on the left-hand side to generate the data you need. These fields are Enter Semester, Enter Term, Enter Program, Enter Year, select a CRN, select an enrollment status, and finally, select the grade challenge code. You can then export the report by pressing the Export button from the toolbar. The icon should be an arrow pointing down and a line going across. You can export as PDF, Excel, HTML, text, or CSV. One great feature of Business Objects 4.3 is you can favorite specific reports you use time and time again. From the document screen, you can click on the star field beside the report's name, or click on the star icon in the toolbar when a report is generated to favorite. This report will then show in the Favorites tab on the main dashboard. If you're a new user who needs access to Business Objects or VPN, please fill out our access request forms. If you're having issues with public folders not showing in Business Objects, please contact the IT Service Desk. Thank you from Technology Services.